everybody? I haven't really been getting a lot of shots because I've been leaving my phone and the camera in the room. But here we are in beautiful Cancun, Mexico, and it's my birthday, so I'm gonna take the GoPro around. Hopefully we'll do some cool stuff. See you out there. So yeah, we spent the day at the pool and hearing the whole sales pitch thing, but now we're going to Hibachi for my birthday, and I'm gonna drink a little sake and I'm going the wrong way. Are you having a good time? Yeah. What's been your favorite part?
Unlimited food and drinks.
Unlimited food and drinks. It's kind of weird when you sit down to eat and you just get up and leave without paying a tab.
He waited on a check today.
I did wait on a check today. Anyway, we're headed to the restaurant. We'll see y'all there. I'm gonna get this little small one right here, and it's a cricket. A little spicy. I actually kind of like it. Actually swam with dolphins, but there's no footage because we can't use our cameras or GoPro. But it was the coolest thing that I've done since I've been here, and I'll show you some stills that we ended up paying for. wanted to show you guys the room tour real quick. One part that I'm just going to put over this for you guys to see is when you actually open the front door, there's a lobby with 2 more doors. We were staying on one side and our aunt and uncle were staying on the other. Now let's show you the suite that we were staying in. When you walk in the front door, you got a bathroom right here on the side, and then it opens up into this full living room with a huge view of the ocean right out here. Got this big red wall. I'm sure that's artistic. We got a fully stocked refrigerator. Every single day they would come and replenish whatever we took. Coke, Sprite, beer, water, mango juice, whatever you want. We also had some vodka and different drinks up here, but we didn't really touch any of this in here. Full kitchen except for a stove so we could cook in the microwave if we wanted to. We got a bar top right here, table, little bench, all of this for entertaining the entire family. And of course, we still have this almost panoramic view of the ocean. All right, let's go back over here. We're going to show you guys the actual bedroom part of the suite. The TV everything is in Spanish. So then we have another door that leads right in here to where we were staying with this awesome king bed that I'm going to miss the most. All this open space, jacuzzi tub, which we got to use only once unfortunately, and then this awesome view of the ocean straight from our room that we woke up to every morning. They did give us a complimentary bottle of wine. I guess we should probably put this in the suitcase before we go. Coming on back, I'll show you guys the bathroom area. We had some closets, which was great. We hung up all of our dress clothes, make sure there's nothing else in there. His and her sinks, which were great. Robes to wear. I don't wear a robe on the normal, but hey, when in Mexico. And then this awesome bathroom with the like raindrop shower head that was so good. Let's head on back out here. Oop, step in some water. Don't fall. That's going to do it for the Cancun travel vlog. Y'all, we had a blast. I've never done an all-inclusive thing before, but it was so worth it and so much fun. We're actually about to have our bags picked up, taken back to the lobby, jumping on a plane, headed back to the States to our dogs, and we will catch you guys on the next video.